Hi there, students. To shake something off, shake it off, a phrasal verb. I think I would primarily use this for an illness. I hope I can shake this cold off before Monday when I have to go back to work. So to get rid of an illness, to get get better without being seriously ill. I thought I was going down with flu, but I seem to have shaken it off. I guess I shook it off. I think you could probably shake somebody off as well. Somebody who's following you around, yeah, and you manage to get away from them. So the robbers managed to shake off the police, to shake them off, to lose them so that they weren't able to follow them. Yeah, he shook off his pursuers. Yeah, my little brother's been following me around all day, and I need to find a way to shake him off. Let's see, maybe somebody's touching you or holding you and you shake them off, yeah? You move so that they're no longer touching you. You could use this literally as well. There was a lot of water on the plastic cover, so I shook the water off, I shook it off. But to shake off, to shake off an illness, or to shake off a bad habit. This is a bad habit that I picked up when I was a kid, and I just can't shake it off. Yeah. Let's see. Bad habits are difficult to shake off. Yeah. I just can't find a way to shake off this feeling that I have that something's wrong. I've just got this feeling that something's wrong, and I just can't shake it off. I can't get rid of it. Yeah, I can't make it go. So to shake off, it's getting rid of something that's unpleasant or undesirable or unwanted. Yeah, and I think that's the major idea of to shake off, to shake off a negative feeling, to get over it, to get rid of it. And then to shake off somebody who's pursuing you, to outmaneuver them, yeah, to get away from them. Yeah, this guy's been bothering me all day and I just can't shake him off. I just can't get rid of him. Yeah, he's just a real pain. Okay, so formality, to shake off. I think I would give this a 4 in formality. Definitely use it informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. A semi-formal writing, maybe. I'm not very keen on it semi-formally though. It's definitely more on the informal side. And then remember as well, shake, shook, shaken. Yeah, you seem to have shaken off that cold. Okay, so it's to deal with something, to get over something that is annoying you, particularly an illness. Yeah, I've had this cold for weeks and I just can't seem to shake it off. I just can't seem to get rid of it. It just won't go. It's very annoying. This cold, I can't dissociate myself from it. Okay, so as to origin, it comes from shake, to move backwards and forwards, which comes from Proto-Germanic skakana, to shake, from Proto-Indo-European skek, to jump or to move. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Shake off.